Alrighty, YouTube, that moment's here. Some of you may remember what happened with Barrel and Blade 2 months ago. How there was a massive screw up in their shipping, and they said, we're going to send a t-shirt to make it up to you. Well, here's the t-shirt. Stay tuned after we roll that intro, because, you know, got to pay some bills, and we're going to get into this thing. Okay, guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for some of you, you may be brand new to my channel and have no clue what I'm talking about. I'm going to put a card up here for that video that describes everything that happened and how I felt. I will state ahead of time, this is not going to make me change my mind and go back to Barrel and Blade. I'm done. I'm doing this video because I promised all of you that once that arrived, I'd get it out here to you. I'll say it like this, Barrel and Blade, if you're watching, you have my respect for honoring your word. You won't have my business, because I just wasn't happy. But all that aside, yeah. So, this is one of the first things that was in the box. Okay. So I went, all right, well, at least I like this. If you have any ideas, suggestions as to what you'd like to see in a box, feel free to DM us on social or shoot us an email. Beautiful. That's awesome. Okay? Cool. Now, as they build this, this is their latest, greatest, sexiest, awesome-matic shirt ever made on the planet. I'll let you decide. So there's the front. Okay. Company logo. Great. Black on silver. Okay. Basic black. You can't go wrong. Yeah. So. And there's the back. You guys tell me. Would this make you want to go back and drop between 80 and $100 a month before shipping? Because somehow your box was lost? I don't know. I want to know what you got to say down below. You know, I don't really have much to say on this. Thanks for keeping your word, Barrel and Blade. But on that note, hey, if you're a first-time viewer of my channel, thanks so much for stumbling by and catching this video. You're going to be seeing a symbol popping up down here. That's my company logo. Go ahead, click on that. That will bring you right to subscribe. After you click on that subscribe, icon, hit the bell icon that's right next to it. That will keep you updated every time we upload a brand new video. And speaking of videos, 2 are going to pop up over here. Those are going to be ones that YouTube has selected from my catalog of videos that they think is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. Barrel and Blade t-shirt. It arrived. I'm shocked it arrived. But hey, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day today.